everybody. Today I am going to take first chapter of geography for class 7, and your topic is our environment. First of all, what is environment? Environment, the surrounding or living condition of the all form on the earth is called our environment. Environment broadly classified into two groups: natural environment and human environment. Natural environment that occurs naturally on the earth and consists all living and non-living things is called natural environment. Natural environment also subdivided into two groups, that is biotic and abiotic. Biotic environment. Biotic environment consists only living things like plant, animal, human and other things that have life. Hence, abiotic environment consists only non-living things. And both biotic and abiotic environment form domains of earth. Domains of earth are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Lithosphere, the solid portion of the earth, is called lithosphere. Hydrosphere or water body on the earth is called hydrosphere. And atmosphere, the air blankets around us, is called atmosphere. Hence, the living world is called biosphere. And now we know about brief knowledge about lithosphere. What is lithosphere? The solid outermost layer of the earth, which consists the rocks, minerals and thin layer of soil, is called lithosphere. The thin uppermost layer of the lithosphere, which is 35 kilometers in thickness, is called crust, and the layer below the crust is called mantle. It is the definition of lithosphere. Lithosphere provides us forest, grassland, soil to grow many types of crops, and land which use minerals like coal, gas, iron and wine. Second, your hydrosphere. The hydrosphere consists of all forms of water like solid, liquid and gas. Lithosphere contains water body, and water is very important to us because it provides life. We can use water in various ways like drinking, cooking, washing and also generating the power, electricity, and our farmers also use this water in various forms for agriculture purpose. And your third is atmosphere. A thin layer of air, which involves the earth, is called atmosphere. This is also an important domain of earth because it provides life on the earth. Plant, human body. First of all, human body. Human body take oxygen from atmosphere. Atmosphere layer contains many types of gases like oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen is very important for human beings. We take oxygen as breath, and plant make their food through carbon dioxide. So it is very important layer. So it is very important domains of earth. harmful rays from sun to reaching on the earth. And so you can say atmosphere is very important layer, important domains of earth. And last is the biosphere. Biosphere, a narrow zone on the earth where lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere meet together is called biosphere. Like atmosphere, biosphere is also very important domains of earth. It supports life and both living beings interact with each other for their life. In this biosphere, there are two major elements of biosphere, that is producer and consumers. Producer also known as heterosphere and consumer known as heterosphere. Why? What is the reason? Producer known as autotrophous. It is the main reason that producer has ability to produce their own food, so it is known as autotrophous. Other hand, the consumer has not ability to produce their own food, so it is known as heterotrophous. This is the four domains of earth. And your next topic here is ecosystem. 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 What is ecosystem? The biosphere, which is made of separate zones in which each zone has its own physical environment and plant and animal life, is called an ecosystem. In every ecosystem, there exists a balance in the transfer of energy and matter among different components. It is known as ecological balance. This system is known as ecological balance. In the ecosystem, all the biotic components are depend on each other and also interact with the abiotic components. It is your ecosystem. It is the definition of ecosystem. And the second type of environment, that is human environment. What is human environment? What is human? And the second type of environment, human environment. What is human environment? Human environment means, human environment refers to everything created by man and all human activities. It means all activities that is created by human and man, it is called our human environment. It is important domains, important components of the environment. The interaction between human beings and their environment change with place and time. The interaction between human beings, their environment changes with place and time. Today, rapid growth of development, as you know, you also know, today rapid development of gradually its change according to time and balance. Their needs, our needs and demands increase people through this development. For development and for our needs, we also do many activities like agriculture, small industries and others. The rapid development led to change in the natural environment. Today we see the rapid development change many types of our surrounding, many type of our environment, and our environment, our nature cannot fulfill, cannot repair this type of damage, because due to our changing of development. And so you can say it is very important, it is very necessary to maintain a healthy balance between human environment and the nature. And through this, all the human beings, all the living things can live on the earth very smoothly. Without it, without maintaining the differences, without maintaining this type of damage, you can't live on the earth. And it is the last topic of your syllabus, of your chapter first. And here your first chapter is finished, and I hope you have understood all these topics very easily and very clearly. Thank you. Have a nice day.